Waterson Closer Hinge is a unique product that combines a door closer, spring hinge, and an optional hold-open feature into one attractive and unobtrusive component. Our intent was not to replace a door closer. Instead, we would like to supply a closer hinge solution when a door closer isn't an ideal fit for that particular application. So, why do architects choose Waterson Closer Hinges? Here are the top 4 reasons. First, maximum movement with minimal design. Whenever an architect meets the door clearance issue with a door closer, Waterson Closer Hinge could be an option. Second, interior quietness and exterior durability. Whenever an architect needs an interior soft close door or an exterior heavy-duty speed control door or gate, Waterson Closer Hinge could be an solution. Third, whenever an architect needs to maintain a door aesthetic on an arched top door, Waterson Closer Hinge could be the answer. Last, Waterson Closer Hinge is easily installed like a regular hinge. By using a hex wrench, you can adjust the door closing speed in a minute. If you would like to learn more about the Waterson Closer Hinge's functionality, please spend 2 minutes visiting our website. If you have special custom needs, please call us directly or send us an email. Talk to you soon.